When most people think about estate planning, they picture lawyers, paperwork, and who gets what. But what's a real legacy plan? It's about more than money. It's about protecting your family, sharing your values, leaving something behind that actually reflects who you are. Whether you're hoping to make wealth transfer simple, to minimize taxes, protect your kids, or just to pass on traditions that matter, a legacy plan gives you confidence, and it gives your loved ones clarity when they need it the most. First off, there's a difference between just a will and a legacy plan. A will, that just says what people get. That's it. A legacy plan, that's the whole picture. It can include trusts to manage your money over time, healthcare directives or powers of attorney, even letters that explain your wishes or tell your story. And if giving is important to you, you can include your charitable plans too. Legacy planning connects the dollars with the meaning, and that's what makes it powerful. Next, think about what you want your legacy to be. Ask yourself a few simple questions. What do I want to be remembered for? What do I want to protect? Are there causes that I want to support? And what values do I want to pass down? Write them down. That one page becomes the heart of your legacy plan. Then, take inventory of what you own. You can't plan what you don't know. List your bank accounts, your retirement plans, your investments, your real estate, business interests, life insurance policies, even family heirlooms or collectibles. And double check that your beneficiaries are up to date. That one simple step prevents a ton of confusion later. Now, let's talk about your will. If you don't have one, it's time. And if you do, update it after big life changes like a marriage, a divorce, a new child, or even an inheritance. Your will should name an executor, a guardian for any minor children, and clearly spell out who gets what. If you don't make the decisions, the state will, and you probably won't love their decisions. Next up, think about whether a trust makes any sense. Trust can help you avoid probate, control how and when assets are passed down, and even help reduce taxes. For example, a revocable trust keeps things flexible while you're living. An irrevocable trust can protect your assets and reduce taxes. And a charitable trust allows you to give while keeping some income. It's not a one-size-fits-all, so it's smart to get advice from a real estate attorney or a financial planner on what's best for you. Now, you want to name the people in your trust. An executor for your will, a trustee to manage the trust, a power of attorney for your finances, and a healthcare proxy to make medical choices if you can't. Choose people who are steady, trustworthy, and willing to take on the responsibility. Here's one a lot of people skip: letters of intent or personal messages. These aren't legal documents, but they can mean the world to your family. You can explain your decisions, share your values, or just leave a few heartfelt notes or videos for the people that you love. It's a great way to make sure that your story and that your voice carries on. If giving back is part of your legacy, plan for it. You can set up a donor-advised fund, gift appreciated assets, or name a charity as a beneficiary. You can even involve your kids or grandkids to make giving a family tradition. It's one of the most meaningful ways you can make your legacy live on. Now let's talk about protecting your heirs. A good plan doesn't just give money. It protects it too. That means planning for taxes, shielding assets from creditors or lawsuits, and making sure young heirs don't get more than they can handle. Working with a fiduciary advisor can help you build those safeguards the right way. And last, communicate your plan. Most family conflicts after someone passes aren't about money. They're about confusion. So talk to your family. Explain your intentions. Let them ask questions. That openness builds trust and helps keep the peace later. Look, here's the bottom line. A legacy plan is part of your final gift. It protects your life's work and gives your family peace of mind. Start small. Get organized. Talk to professionals that you trust. And remember, your legacy isn't just what you leave behind. It's what you leave with the people you love the most. If you're ready to get started, we'd love to help you build a plan that reflects what matters the most to you.